Delhi-based female journalists. They've now been detained in Tripura. First, the news got out when the journalists started tweeting out that they'd been intimidated, even held up inside the police station without any reason. Later, there was an FIR registered against the two of them. This for instigating communal tensions. Now, who are these journalists and why were they in Tripura? Well, both of them, their names are Samriddhi and Swarna Jha. Both of them had travelled to Tripura to try and understand what exactly was the reason for tension in that area. We've been reporting about that story for a while now. After a long day of being there, tweeting that they've been held or detained by the Tripura police, there is now finally a case. There is an FIR against them. They've been detained. Who has filed the FIR? Well, it's the VHP. The FIR goes on to say, filed by a supporter of the right-wing group, says that both of them had been detained, has been promoting enmity between different groups on grounds of religion. The FIR has lots of sections, 153A, has 120B, etc. as well. But what exactly was the fault of these journalists? Should they have been picked up? Were they simply picked up for doing their job? Is this a cover-up? What exactly is happening? We'll get to the truth of that. First up, herein from the girls.
एयरपोर्ट जा रहे थे. एक्चुअली हमें वहाँ से फ्लाइट लेनी थी कि हम इस रोड से जा रहे थे, तभी इस रोड पे पुलिस लोग यहाँ पे खड़े थे. फिर उन्होंने कहा कि आपको हमारे साथ आना होगा. तो हमने पूछा कि क्यों. फिर उन्होंने बोला
उन्होंने वहाँ पे हमें कुछ भी नहीं बताया. हम अंदर आए, हमें बैठाया गया. अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 15-20 मिनट्स उन्होंने बताया कि यहाँ पे त्रिपुरा पुलिस से हमें ऑर्डर्स आए. तो हमने पूछा कि सर कोई ऑफिशियल ऑर्डर है तो आप हमें दिखा दीजिए पेपर में. बट देन द ऑफिसर इंचार्ज टोल्ड मी नो, देयर इज नो ऑफिशियल ऑर्डर, वी हैव हैड अ कॉन्वर्सेशन ओवर कॉल. मैंने बोला ठीक है. एंड इट्स बीन मोर देन आई थिंक 3 hours, 3.5 hours वी आर सिटिंग हियर. इट्स जस्ट दैट 20 मिनट्स अगो त्रिपुरा पुलिस यहाँ पे आई है. ठीक है, एस्कॉर्ट टीम आई है. एस्कॉर्ट टीम आती है, यहाँ पे बैठती है. हमने उनसे पूछा कि सर 5 मिनट रुक जाइए, हमारे लॉयर्स आएंगे. उन्होंने जोर से बोला कि नहीं, कोई नहीं आएगा.
फिर आप हमें जो ले जा रहे हैं तो एटलीस्ट अपना ऑर्डर कॉपी दिखा दीजिए. तो उन्होंने उससे वो दिखाने से भी डिनाई किया है. अभी
बोलते हैं कि हम एस्कॉर्ट टीम के.
Alright, so that was the version of the journalists over there. What is the police saying? Police have a different side of the story. They say that based on the FIR, we today went to meet the journalists who were staying in a hotel there and the subdivision of Tripura's North District. We took their permission and spoke with them on the basis of the information that they had. We served them a notice as well, according to the police. They requested us to give us some time to appear with their lawyer. The permission was given. This is in sharp contrast to what the journalists have said as well. So what exactly is happening here for the moment? Let's cut across to my colleague Ratandeep reporting the latest on this story. Before that, also let's bring out to you the Editors Guild reaction that has come in. A tweet has come in from the Editors Guild demanding, it has condemned the action and demanded the immediate release of these two journalists as well. Ratandeep, as always, the story seems to be lost between two versions over here. Could you give us a timeline into what has been our personal verification on what the journalists were doing there and what exactly happened?
Well, what we have been able to gather from our sources at Ground Zero, as well as I did speak to some senior police officials in Tripura Police. In fact, the Tripura Police has now come out with a statement, official statement of what really transpired. Now, what has happened is that there are two separate cases filed against these two journalists. One which has been filed at Fatikrai police station, which we reported this morning. So the story that we reported in this morning was a case which has been filed against these two journalists in Fatikrai police station, which is in North Tripura, where the complaint was given by one Kanchan Das, a supporter of VHP, who had given a complaint, and based on his complaint, the case was registered. And this morning, police, according to the police, they went to a hotel where these two journalists were putting up in Dharmnagar, which is in North Tripura, and the police claims that they went to the hotel to serve notice to these two journalists to join the investigation. And the journalists claimed that the police was not allowing them to come out of the hotel, and they also complained of intimidation, which the police has denied. The police goes on to claim that the journalists were allowed, in this case, in the Fatikrai police station case, they were allowed actually to appear in front of the investigating officer within 21st of November. But this there is another case which has been filed against these two journalists. Now this case is in Kakraban police station, which is in Gomti district of Tripura, and it has been filed on 11th of November. So and this is related to some social media posts again by the journalist, which the police claim that they have verified, and they have found that those the claims made by the journalist in the social media post are not true, and therefore the police says that they have filed a case where under several sections of the IPC, where they are booked for creation of hatred between communities by fabricating and concealing records and for criminal conspiracy.
Right. Ratneeb,
Now,
I'm
what
going
has
to
happened
interrupt
is that
you for a minute.
According to the police and according...
I'm going to interrupt you for a minute because just want to get this fact straight. There are 2 FIRs against these 2 journalists according to the police. Filed by whom, can you tell us? And also if they've been picked up and detained as of this moment, under which FIR have they been detained?
Yeah, that's exactly what the details that I'm actually trying to share with our viewers, is that they have been detained in the FIR which has been filed against them on 11th of November at Kakraban police station, which is in Gomti district of Tripura, and this is an FIR which police has taken suo moto. So they have not been detained with regards to the other FIR which we were reporting this morning, which is under Patitoi police station. In that FIR, they were allowed to travel back to Delhi, and they were asked to come back on within 21st of November along with the lawyers to appear in front of the investigating officer. But then there is another FIR which was filed on 11th of November, and what a senior police officials have given us to understand that in fact the investigating officer had contacted the 2 journalists, and they were asked that while you return, you please visit the police station for examination. Now police claims, and in an official press release, police claims that the 2 journalists committed that they would come and meet, but they decided to escape. So the word used here is that the 2 reporters made an escape towards Assam. On getting the information, Assam police was contacted and they were detained at Nilam Bazar police station. Now Nilam Bazar is actually the first major Assam town that comes after at the Assam-Tripura border. So this is what the police is claiming. Now what we are hearing from Ground Zero is that a police team of Tripura police, which also includes women officials, women police officials, have reached Nilam Bazar police station, and Assam police sources are telling us that since these 2 journalists don't have any case in Assam, and they have only detained it on the request that has been sent by Tripura police, so they will hand them over to Tripura police. Now whether they will be brought to Tripura overnight or not is not clear at this moment. We will have to wait and watch. But what police sources have been have given us to understand is that police had to act against them and had to stop them at Nilam Bazar, because what police claims is that these 2 journalists have not kept their word. They had given a word to the police that they would come and meet the investigating officer
Quick couple of
in
questions,
Agartala on their way to Delhi,
before I
but
move
they
to the
decided
discussion. Have they
to
been given lawyer
move through
access?
Assam.
Have these 2 journalists been given lawyer access?
At this moment, they are in Assam. They're in Nilam Bazar police station. I think the process of their handover to Tripura police is being carried out. So there is no clarity in terms of whether they have a lawyer access or not. But we have played out that bite where the journalists are also accusing Tripura police of harassing them. So this is what has transpired over the this entire day. But one thing for sure, which we can confirm to our viewers, is that there are 2 separate FIR against these 2 journalists, and they have been detained in connection to an FIR filed on 11th of November at Kakraban police station, a suo moto FIR by Tripura police.